English conversations are one of the best ways to improve language skills because they help learners develop fluency, listening and speaking skills in real-time situations. Here's an explanation of how to use conversations for learning in about 5 minutes. 1. Real-life application. Conversations are practical. Instead of memorizing vocabulary or grammar in isolation, learners get to use them in meaningful ways. This helps to bridge the gap between knowing the rules and actual communicating effectively. 2. Improving fluency. By engaging in regular conversations, learners get the chance to practice speaking without overthinking grammar. This leads to more natural speech patterns and confidence when speaking, as they learn to think in English rather than translating from their native language. 3. Listening skills. Conversations expose learners to different accents, speeds of speech, and idiomatic expressions. Listening to native or fluent speakers help improve comprehension skills and trains learners to understand English in various contexts. 4. Building vocabulary and expressions. When learners engage in conversations, they are exposed to new vocabulary and expressions in context. This makes it easier to remember and use them correctly. For example, instead of just learning the word negotiation, a conversation about planning a trip could show how it's used naturally. 5. Social confidence. Conversations help learners become more comfortable speaking English in social situations. Practice builds confidence, which reduces the fear of making mistakes and encourages learners to speak up more frequently. 6. Feedback and corrections. During conversations, learners get immediate feedback from their conversations partner, helping them correct mistakes on the spot and learn from them. Incorporating English conversations into daily learning routines, whether through speaking with friends, tutors, or using conversation gaps, greatly enhances language fluency.